Getting in those details with those exclusive pictures coming in from a forest in Anantnag in connection with the Delhi blast case from the 10th of November. It's in this particular spot where the police is, along with the NIA and the CRPF, where two accused have been brought, essentially piecing together all the evidence. A dry run of sorts that was done at this forest in Anantnag.
Today, early morning, there were NIA teams in Mutton forest area of Anantnag. Now, our sources say that this deep inside the forest area, at least 3 to 4 locations, they had conducted trials. They were busy with seeing how these explosives can be configured together to make an IED, a big IED, and in fact one gas cylinder, we've been told, has also been recovered. It's in a very bad shape. It's mangled, so probably it was part of the explosive, the detonation that they may have done inside the forest area. So all that is coming together. We've been told that Dr. Adil and one more accused was with the NIA team in the forest area. They were obviously taken to the location to pinpoint the areas that they used inside the forest area, and we've got exclusive visuals of Dr. Adil with the NIA team, and we have been further told that there could be 1 or 2 more locations where the NIA will go. So this complete conspiracy is really coming to the fore. Different links and how they went about it, how these explosives, they got this training of detonating them, putting together an IED using locally procured material. All these angles are coming out. So this is a big day as far as NIA investigation is concerned, because now they know which areas were used. We also know that there were many detentions in the last some time, people whose name cropped up, against whom NIA gathered evidence during the investigation, and they were also taken in formal custody. So now the stage has come where the main accused are singing. They are telling the NIA how they got this conspiracy together, the locations that they used, and how this explosive material they mastered to handle it. So all that now coming to the fore, Sneha.